So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can switch off your iPhone without touching the screen. For example, if your screen is frozen or something and now you are not able to control anything on your screen. Now for example, if you by a general method, if you try to turn off your iPhone, here you'll see you will need to slide to power off your iPhone. All you need to do is to just simply make sure to hard reset your iPhone. Now in order to do it, just simply press the volume up button once, volume down button once, and press and hold the power button for about up to 10 to 15 seconds, and it will by defaultly, by automatically turn reset your iPhone. That's called the hard reset, and that will definitely fix multiple issues if you're facing on the latest iOS versions. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.